Today I will be reading The Festival of Colors. Guavas are ripening, lotus are blooming, and Holi, the Indian Festival of Colors, is almost here. Chintu and Mintu are getting ready. Holy hi, they whisper. They gather hibiscus flowers because hibiscus flowers make red. They gather marigolds because marigolds make orange. They gather irises because irises make blue. Then they lay the flowers out to dry. Then they separate the petals. And then they press the petals into fine powders. At last the petal powders are ready. Chintu and Mintu are ready too. And they're friends. Something I noticed on this page is like they were all responsible for maybe some different colors. And they're neighbors. And then another thing I noticed is that they're wearing as close to white as they can. Poof! Purple pops. Poof! Red burst. Poof! Orange erupts. And poof! Blue splashes. Poof! 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 Holy hi, holy hi, holy hi, everyone shouts. Look at the joy in their faces. Fun! And then, friends, I'm going to go back to the front cover, but read you a note from the authors. Holi is the Indian festival of colors celebrated during spring, when new colors appear in nature. It symbolizes inclusiveness, new beginnings, and the triumph of good over evil. The festival begins with an evening bonfire. The next morning, family, friends, and neighbors throw dry and wet colored powders on each other. People chant Holy Hi, which is pronounced Holy Hey, and it means it's holy. Traditionally, the powders were made at home using flowers. Families and friends gathered, dried, and ground the petals into fine powders, which were mixed into water to make brilliant colors. Now, most people buy permade powders from the local bazaar or even online. There is plenty of singing, dancing, and feasting during the festivities. And with everyone covered in vibrant colors, there's tremendous feeling of community and belonging. This week, we will be looking at different pictures and different articles and videos about how the Indian culture celebrates Holi.